G the Stones.
It's the music for lovers. Music for love.
Baby, can't you see that we were meant to be as one, like the sunshine, like the seasons? Love, love, you and me were a part of nature, destined to be like fish in the ocean, birds in the sky. No further explanation, no questions why. Love, love, you and me were a part of nature, destined to be.
Baby, can't you see? Baby, can't you see? Baby, can't you see what you're doing to me? Damn, girl. As I sit and I look you in your eyes, it's like gazing at the stars and learning every reason why I'm on this earth. Words can't explain what you're worth. And these feelings inside could never, ever be reversed.
Baby, can't you see that we were meant to be as one, like the sunshine, like the seasons? Love, love, you and me were a part of nature, destined to be like fish in the ocean, birds in the sky. No further explanation, no questions why. Love, love, you and me were a part of nature, destined to be.
It's human nature, girl. We come in pairs. It's like watching the comings of a new day. When you let down your hair, living in a world filled with despair. Don't know what I would do if your love wasn't there. Pardon once if I give you a cold stare, but baby, your beauty is so rare. She wrapped me in her arms and told me,
baby, can't you see that we were meant to be as one, like the sunshine, like the seasons? Love, love, you and me were a part of nature, destined to be like fish in the ocean, birds in the sky. No further explanation, no questions why. Love, love, you and me were a part of nature, destined to be. I swear there must be a God. To find someone like you is against the odds. You're one in a million, a perfect match, like bees to a flower, flames to a match.
Let's start my people out there with a real love. Don't take it for granted, cherish it with everything that you have. We all need somebody, and we all need love. G the Stones, Young Lou, Brooke.